Okay, I'm here with Lisa, and she is going to be trying this A&W drink mix. It's a just add to water kind of product. She has the 16 ounces right there. Go for it. Let's see what it does. So in it goes. It'll be real interesting to see how close to get to the root beer flavor.
Looks like it's mixed.
Mixed pretty quick. All right, you ready to taste it?
Smells like root beer.
Here, let me smell, please.
Smells just.
Oh yeah, it's totally
like
root beer smell. You can even smell like that carbonated kind of smell as well.
I feel like it needs more water.
It feels too strong.
Or maybe that's what they're trying to do to kind of simulate the
Oh God.
It's a weird flavor because it's like they're trying to simulate the carbonation.
It's like a medicine.
Yeah.
It reminds me of a really unpleasant licorice medicine.
I can taste where they're coming from. Like they're trying to match it to the soda with the carbonation, but with no carbonation, it's.
Here, hold up the bottle so they can see that too, please. All right.
It tastes like. Have you ever had an icy with the syrup?
Yeah.
It's similar to something like that I've had. It's very similar to that. So you have to really like that.
Do you like it?
No. I wouldn't get it again.
Okay. But who would you recommend it for?
Anyone that loves the drink or they like ices with the syrup flavors.
Yeah.
That's where this.
Yeah, it was
this
just
is like a
little
root beer syrup. Like you could pour this on. If it was thicker, you could pour this on top of an icy and you'd have the same effect.
All right, I'll see if I can find this online. If I can, I'll link it below. Clearly, it's only for certain people, not for me or for Lisa, but maybe it's going to be for you. If you've tried this product, let us know what you thought of it. And let us know if there's something that you could do to this product to make it more enjoyable. Maybe there's a trick or a tip, a hack even, that can make it taste a little bit smoother, because yeah, it's smacky in the face kind of situation.
Yeah, it's there. That's exactly what 16.9 ounces. I'm gonna try to add probably another 4 ounces of water, see if it evens it out a little bit.
Hopefully. Thank you for watching this review, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.